Get ready to transform your cleaning routine with the Shark NV360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum. Join me as I put this vacuum to the test, exploring its large dust cup capacity, HEPA filter, and swivel steering. Plus, we'll dive into how the upholstery and crevice tools can tackle every nook and cranny. Subscribe for more reviews and tips on keeping your space spotless. The Shark NV360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that promises to make household chores a breeze. With its large dust cup capacity, you can clean more and empty less, making it ideal for larger homes or those with pets. The HEPA filter ensures that even the smallest particles are captured, leaving your air cleaner and fresher. Swivel steering is a standout feature, allowing for effortless maneuverability around furniture and other obstacles. This agility, combined with the vacuum's upright design, makes it easy to navigate across various surfaces. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hardwood floors, or tiles, the Shark NV360 is up to the task. The inclusion of an upholstery tool and crevice tool further enhances the vacuum's utility. These attachments are perfect for getting into tight spaces and cleaning upholstery, making the NV360 a comprehensive cleaning solution. In terms of performance, the Shark NV360 does not disappoint. It picks up a wide range of debris, from fine dust to larger particles, with ease. The lift-away feature is particularly useful for stairs and other hard-to-reach areas, allowing you to detach the canister and use it as a portable cleaner. However, no product is without its flaws. Some users have noted that the cord could be longer for more extensive reach, and the vacuum may struggle with larger debris on hardwood floors. Despite these minor setbacks, the Shark NV360 remains a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient vacuum cleaner.